If you've worked hard your entire life to build a solid nest egg, you want to make sure it's protected, especially now. With the economy as unpredictable as it is, even the wealthiest retirees are starting to worry about what could come next. Interest rates are climbing, inflation is still high, and banking institutions are showing signs of weakness. So, what's the smartest move for your retirement savings? Let me tell you the story of Gary and Linda from Scottsdale, Arizona. Gary, a retired CEO, and Linda, a former teacher, had always planned to live out their golden years, enjoying the fruits of their labor. But after watching their 401k lose value over the last year, and hearing about some of the financial instability hitting major banks, they began to feel anxious. They were nervous about relying solely on stocks and bonds, and the uncertainty around inflation only made them more uneasy. But then, something caught their eye. They were introduced to a gold IRA, an option that could potentially safeguard their wealth from the volatility of the market. After doing some research and hearing stories of others who'd made the switch, they took the plunge and rolled over part of their retirement savings, $500,000, into gold. They learned that gold has stood the test of time as a safe haven asset, especially in uncertain times like these, and they were right to make the move. Over the past year, while the stock market fluctuated, their gold IRA continued to hold steady, even growing in value. But why are so many retirees like Gary and Linda taking the same step? The answer is simple: diversification. With a gold IRA, you're able to protect your wealth against market volatility, inflation, and even the potential collapse of banks. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years, and even in uncertain economic times, it tends to hold its value. So while your traditional 401k or IRA might be tied to the stock market, a gold IRA acts as a hedge, providing a level of stability when everything else seems up in the air. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, but how can I get started? What's the catch? Well, there's no catch. You don't have to make a sudden, all-in decision. In fact, it's actually easier than you think to get started with a gold IRA. You can transfer part of your savings, whether you have $100,000 or several million, into a gold IRA, and from there, you'll have experts guiding you every step of the way. Gary and Linda took the first step by getting a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call with a specialist. They had questions, and they wanted to make sure it was the right fit for them. After talking through their goals, preserving their wealth for their children and grandchildren, they felt reassured, knowing they were making a smart decision for the future. You can do the same. If you're ready to secure your retirement and ensure that your hard-earned savings are protected from whatever comes next, then it's time to take action. Right now, you can get a free gold IRA guide and schedule a quick one-on-one educational call. No sales pressure, no gimmicks. Just honest, straightforward advice tailored to your specific situation. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and book your no-obligation call today. Protect your future, protect your legacy, because your hard work deserves it.